Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your web project. This is essential because browser options attach to the project context. Once done, make sure no debug session is active and save changes. In Solution Explorer, select the project node. This tells Visual Studio which app will use the chosen browser. You will use the project-level browser menu immediately, so avoid the global settings for now. Now look to the Run/Debug toolbar, where the current browser is displayed. This is where you make the first actionable change. You click the browser label by the Run or IIS Express button. This reveals available browsers. If your desired browser isn't listed, choose Browse with, then add and provide the executable path. This lets Visual Studio launch that browser. Once added, select the browser and click Set as default so future runs use it. Make sure to pick the right browser architecture if available. This works because Visual Studio stores the selection in the project launch settings rather than global IDE settings. You run the project to confirm Visual Studio launches the chosen browser. That verifies everything. If it still opens the wrong browser, open Properties and inspect launch settings. JSON because profiles can override defaults, edit the command name or launch browser fields. Once changed, save and rerun. If the browser fails to start, check the executable path you entered and the system file association. Often the path is wrong or the browser is blocked. If needed, restart Visual Studio to apply the change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.